Hello everyone, once again, my name is Alex. I'm from China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. And as you know, we are participating in this China Toy Expo, which is happening in Shanghai. And we are visiting the member factories which are presenting their products at the Expo. Now, I have here Molly. Molly is from a factory called ZHEJIANG, HUANGYAN, HONGXING Crafts factory, which was established back in 1997. And they focus on producing wooden toys and instruments. So Molly, thank you very much for joining me today. And I would like to ask you about the factory and if you can show us some best-selling products today. So let's go to the best-selling products and then talk about them. So guys, one of the best-selling products they have is a set of like medical items for kids. As you can see here, we have like a magnifying glass. Okay, kids can use this magnifying glass like you know, any other magnifying glass to magnify items like this, and which is, you know, made of plastic, and then in the middle there's a glass. I can feel that it's a very safe product for any ages. And there is also this net, fishing net probably, and they can, you know, in the pond or in swimming pool where they have some, you know, pet fishes, and then they can try to catch it. And also they have, you know, this kind of bunch of products which are tied together. And as you can see here, like it's for, I believe, for, you know, for tooth, like and there's a brush here, and there's a mirror here, and etc. And also we've got some more educational toys for infants. They can, you know, they can lie down and then they play around while looking at the ceiling. There are some, you know, rubber balls and also mirror, especially good for kids who are, you know, discovering the world at an early age. And there are some hangers here. Very interesting collection of toys. So basically, as you can see here, most of the products, they are made of wood, and there are no sharp edges, there are no like you know, safety concerns here, because all of the products are perfectly safe for different ages. I've got another member of the factory whose name is Jay.
Yes.
So he's going to tell us about the factory. Can you please?
Yes, our factory is built in 1997, and we do the wooden crafts first. Now we change the factory to do the wooden toys, music toys, and guitars. Okay. And we have a BSCI, ISO 9000, and other certifications to fit the USA and EU market. Our main market is USA and European, just like France.
Wow.
Germany, Italy, and other Southeast countries.
Okay, okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Jay. Really appreciate the introduction of the factory, and we wish you best of luck at the Expo. So for the viewers, if you would like to work with this factory, ZHEJIANG, HUANGYAN, HONGXING Crafts factory, you can always get in touch with China Toy and Juvenile Product Association. We will be more than happy to put you in contact with them directly. So good luck at the Expo. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
See you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.